nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Divas, what's up divas, what's up divos? Welcome back to my channel. You already know we about to slay today, okay, with your girl A. What's up everybody? I hope you all are having like a really great day when you are watching this video, whether it be morning, noon, or night. I hope y'all all are having a really great day. With that being said, I've actually worked with this company probably like once or twice before, and they are known as WOWANGEL, like wow. Like WOWANGEL, okay?
Okay.
Sent me this really nice wig, girl. Like, I can say that she's pre-everything to a certain extent. Like, I gotta cut the lace off. That's about it. Like, it came pre-bleed, it came pre-thinned out. It is a kinky straight lace front, but I did put some curls in her, and that's why she's bunched up like this, just to hold the curls. Like, I took the pins out and then, you know, scrunched up the net so that way the curls wouldn't drop. But girl, I'm gonna keep rambling on with y'all because I know y'all are here to see the wig. Not necessarily me, but the wig. And I'm cool with that. We here to see the wig. Okay, so the wig is a Swiss lace wig, and you can tell by the jagged edges on the lace or the unraveling. That's how you know when it's real Swiss. So it is a Swiss HD lace, and it is a, I do believe this is either 13 by 4 or 6. I'll definitely put the specs down below. You are getting plenty of parting space with this unit. Also, she does come with 3 combs. I like the fact that they put one in the middle because that definitely helps with not slipping back. Like, I like these. You don't really see wigs like this with this in the middle that much anymore, so I really appreciate that. It also has a comb in the back, the adjustable straps, and their signature elastic adjustable band. There's no drawstring on this unit. So with that being said, let's jump into this video. I'm gonna show you how she comes, and we're gonna just get this going, okay?
Girl, you got me down so bad. I can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing. Please don't fall in love, cause I think of you all day. Yeah, I was running through my brain, can't be nothing. Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush on you. I'm not the type to give it in, read it out to your mind. Let me tell you now, I got a crush on you. When I was looking outside, girl, you got me lost in your eyes. I got you when you're falling. Just know that I won't be here for long. Thinking of you all day, yeah. Running around in my head, all or nothing. Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush on you. I'm not the type to give it in, read it out to your mind. Let me tell you now, I got a crush on you. I want you more than just for a night. I'm just saying, you deserve it. I need you, baby, let me stay by your side. Come and show me. Cause I just know you got me thinking about you now. I gotta crush, crush, crush on you.
Y'all, she done. This was a cute wig. Now, for one, like I said, I did curl it, but some of the curls did drop. That's okay because it's kinky straight hair, and I did curl it with a bigger barrel. Normally, when I do like these type of loose wave wand curls, I do use a smaller barrel. So I would highly suggest if you want to curl your kinky straight wigs, use a smaller barrel. I think the one that I used was like a 1.5 inch, but you want to use like a medium length barrel. That's only because it's going to be a tighter squeeze on the hair, and it will allow the hair not to drop. Keep it pinned up, or when you remove the pins, just keep it in a net and bunch the net up so that way the curls are pushed up. But either way, I think it's really cute. As you guys seen, I did pull it further down on my hairline like so, and I just plucked some of the hairs. The sides look really, really good. The hair is super soft. And this is like a really good wig where you can part it just about anywhere if you choose to. You know, I love the fact that you can just corn roll it and put it in different styles, especially because you just may not want the hair on your face, but also it just gives you options of doing different stuff. Like, this is really, really a nice wig. I like it. It's cute. I do think I'm gonna pull it up real quick just so y'all can see. Y'all know how I do. Y'all know how I do. I love to have my hair pinned up because that's just me, and y'all know how I do. Okay, girl, look, this wig came out really, 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 really cute. I like it like this. I like that I pulled it up. I like this wig. Like, it just looks so natural, so realistic, so cutesy cute. Okay, so kawaii. Like they would say, girl, this looks cute. Okay.
Okay.
Like, y'all cannot tell me it don't look cute. The hair is super duper soft. Okay, wow, angel. Wow to an angel. Yeah, that's what I said. I am. But look at this wig. The hair is definitely cute. Period. She looked cute, right? Now, definitely you want to make sure that the tight rolls are tighter than this. Oh, I hate when they just get loose. Ooh, Swiss roll. I'm going to call it a Swiss roll. Y'all ever eat Swiss rolls? My daughter Tati loved Swiss rolls. Okay, so my nails is really like tripping. And these ones I made on my own. When I say I made them, shaped them, painted them, decaled them, all that from the beginning to the end. Yes. But okay, she's good to go, like a Swiss roll. I love y'all. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, share this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so that way you'll be notified every time I drop something new. Because, girl, we friendly over here, budget friendly and just friendly, diva friendly, and we welcome you all. Make sure you leave a comment so that way we can continue our conversation in the comments. I've definitely been getting better at answering comments, okay? Let's just keep this conversation going, flowing, so that way we're in the algorithm, okay? And on that note, I love you all. Stay diva and divalicious, motivated, blessed, and I will see y'all in the next one. I love y'all. Bye.